I was asked the other day why design QRP gear using discrete components. After all, you can do it with computers and software defined. There's several reasons. Computers don't seem to like sand, salt air and water, such as you get here on the beach, from which I operate portable. Also, there's the power consumption factor. A laptop computer might draw 1 or 2 amps, whereas a standalone QRP rig, especially one with a direct conversion receiver, might only draw 30 or 40 milliamps. But the real reason is deeper. I crave simplicity. There is beauty and elegance in simple circuit design. There's also great satisfaction when it works. When I go portable, I can take only what's needed and can set up quickly. Others had the idea even before portable QRP was invented. Simplicity can have financial as well as aesthetic benefits. TV entrepreneur Madman Muntz made all his TVs as simple as they can. He would go around his workshop and snip components that he thought redundant. His aim was to produce an affordable TV, and that was made easier with fewer parts. Although perhaps his real search for perfection was with women, for he married 7 times. We're not all manufacturers, but for us spare time builders, simple gear is easier and quicker to construct and has a better chance of being completed. Near enough may sometimes be good enough if the alternative is nothing. Simplicity can be a prism through which we question the things we do and whether they're necessary. Someone once said that many hands make light work. One of life's mysteries then is why do portable club stations take so long to set up? Whereas a single operator can take just a few minutes and achieve more contacts per kilogram, watt and even person. Cheap, quick and simple all go together. The cheaper something is, the more it will sell. It's the same with activities made easier or simpler. Billionaire Kerry Packer reduced a long boring game to something that can be over in a day. He made millions through his TV coverage and transformed the face of cricket. The month-long Ross Hull VHF contest doesn't attract that many people. However, the shorter VHF field days are much more popular. Same with SOTA, Summits of the Air. Amateurs climb a hill and make contacts, maybe operating for an hour or so. That's also taking off and is very popular. Personally, I find around 2 hours is a good time to go portable and can generally make 5 or 10 leisurely contacts during that time. The lesson is that if you make a station that can be set up quickly, then you'll probably use it more. Everyone hates packing up. It's the same with operating locations. Operate from somewhere near a home and you'll probably go there more often, compared with locations that are better as far as RF but further away. Some other points. In simplicity, you can achieve good, you can get better, but you'll never reach perfect. It's like an asymptotic curve on a graph. The line gets right near the axis, but never touches it. That means there's always room for progress and the prospects of better design. There's also a trade-off between simplicity and practicality. A QRP radio can be simple, test fine in the lab, but not get many contacts on the air. Crystal control, very low output power, and a poor receiver are the 3 main reasons why. You might just be able to get away with compromises on one, but definitely not compromises on all 3. A radio transceiver project is only good if you can get random contacts most times you go out. It's the same with buying cheap things. Value for money is no good without the value. My website and other videos give some tips on getting the balance right. Examples of simple but good radio projects with construction details online include N1TEV's high-performance regenerative receiver. Shown here is my Beach 40 double sideband transceiver for 40 metres. Here's the Knobless Wonder, recently described on YouTube. Ashraf Farhan's BitX, a simple crystal filter type SSB transceiver. And SP5AHT's simple 80 metre phasing transceiver. All these are simple projects using relatively available parts but giving good performance. I hope I've imparted some of the reasons why we QRP builders pursue simplicity. It's beautiful, it's ingenious, it's elegant, and it can be practical if done right. If there's been simple designs that work for you, please leave them in the comments section under this video.